Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn Usdt to your Trustwallet account or any other wallet in which you make use of. So follow this video to the end, and if you know you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell, so whenever we upload new video you are going to be among the first to be notified. So when you tap on the link in the description box below, to be bringing you over to this place, all you need to do is to input your email address, your password, confirm your password, then the invitation link will be appearing automatically there. Then you register your account. Then after registering your account, you can go ahead to log in with your email and your password, and they are going to be logged into your account immediately. So when you've logged into your account, after tapping on the login button, it's going to be taking you directly to your dashboard, and I'm going to be showing you how the dashboard looks like. So after your login, this is how your dashboard is going to be looking like. And when you register, as you can see over here, invite 5 VIP2 people and you get a bonus of 3 USDT. Invite 5 VIP3 and you get a bonus of 10 USDT, and so on and so forth. You can also check it out for yourself and know which one is suitable for you. So when you register, you're going to be given 38 USDT as a bonus. So after that is done, you tap on the recharge to make your deposit, and as you can see over here, the minimum deposit on VIP1 is 3 USDT, for VIP2 is 16, and for VIP1 you get 15% daily, VIP2 30%, and so on and so forth. So you can check which plan is suitable for you to do. Now after doing that, all you need to do is to deposit by tapping on the join, which is over here. As you can see, any VIP which you want to do, you are going to tap on join. You can start on VIP 1 or 2 or any VIP you wish to deposit on. So when you tap on the join button, it's going to be taking you over to where you are going to be copying the deposit address. Now as you can see over here, all you need to do now is to tap on copy, and the address is going to be copied. Then you send in the amount of USDT in which you wish to deposit. Then after that is done, it's going to be reflecting in your balance. As you can see on your dashboard, it's going to be reflecting there automatically. So after that is done, all you need to do now is to do your tax for the day. Now as you can see, they said start making money. Then all you need to do is just to tap on it, and when you tap on it, it's going to be redirecting you over to where you are going to be doing your tax. And you have up to 6 orders for a day. As you can see over here, all is 6, which means you are going to be completing 6 orders for the day. Now you tap on start grabbing order, and when you tap on start grabbing order, it's going to be loading up. So next you need to do is to tap on submit order, and this is what you are going to do for 6 times. That is completing 6 orders 6 times. So these are you are going to be doing it till you've completed the whole order for the day. So I'm going to be doing that right away. Now after your orders have been completed, all you need to do next, as you can see, it's going to be reflecting like this on your dashboard. All you need to do next is to add your receiving address. Then you go ahead and place your withdrawal. Now when to place your withdrawal, or after you've added your withdrawal address, then you input the amount of USDT, as you can see 3.45 USDT. Then you input your password, and you can go ahead to tap on the withdrawal, and it's going to be submitted immediately. So as you can see, submitted successfully. So before I show you the withdrawal proof, as you can see over here, it has left the dashboard already. Now to get your referral link, before I go ahead to show you the withdrawal proof, to get your referral link, go back to the home, go back to your home dashboard. Then you're going to be seeing where you're going to be getting your invite link. So when you're on your dashboard, as you can see where it's written invite, all you have to do is to tap on the invite button, and it's going to be redirecting you to copy your referral link, which you can share to your friends and loved ones, so they too can also join and earn some USDT for themselves. So after copying it, you can share to them and also refer them to this website as it is newly launched. So this is how you can earn from this platform with a minimum of 3 USDT and complete your tax every single day and place your withdrawal. So guys, as you can see, this is the withdrawal proof which is going to be loading. So thanks for watching and see you on my next video.